Alright guys, so affiliate marketing is a great way for you to earn money by promoting other people's products or company products. Now, there are the basic steps for you to get started with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Number one, you need to choose a niche. You need to choose a topic or an area that you're interested in that has potentials of profit. And it is important for you to choose a niche that you're passionate about and having the knowledge in it, because it's going to make it easier for you to create content and promote products that relate to that niche. Now, you need to find the affiliate programs. Look for the affiliate programs that you have chosen. Now, you can search on affiliate networks such as ClickBank, ShareASale, and Amazon, JVZoo, Max Bounty, and many more. Many companies have their own affiliate programs, so you can also check out their website for the products that you are interested in promoting. Now, you need to apply for these affiliate programs. Once you find an affiliate program that you want to join, just apply for it and become an affiliate. Some of these programs may have specific requirements or conditions for you to join, so you need to make sure you read the terms and conditions carefully. Now, you also need to choose a product to promote after joining the affiliate program, because choosing the right product you want to promote is going to help you in making sales. Then you need to look for the products that are relevant to your niche, that you think your audience will be interested in. Every audience have a product they're interested in. Now, you need to create content. You need to create content such as blog posts, videos, social media posts that will promote this product that you have chosen. Now, you need to make sure your content is informative and engaging, and it is having your affiliate link. Then you need to promote your content, share your content on social media platforms, forums, and other relevant websites to attract more visitors to your website and increase your chances of making sales. Very, very important. When you have done this, then you need to monitor your results, keep track of your affiliate earnings, your conversion rates, and other important metrics to see what is working and what is not working. And you have to use this particular information to optimize your content and improve your results. Remember, affiliate marketing takes time and the effort to succeed, so you have to be very patient and persist in your effort. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on.